In this video, we see how to edit normal photo into dark black effect. Now, import the photo and select the photo. Now, now click the light icon and click the exposure and decrease the exposure into -1. And click the contrast and increase into around 30. Now click the highlights and increase it to 20. Now click the blacks and increase into 30. Now click the color icon and increase the vibrance into 25. Now click the saturation and increase into 15. Now click the color mix icon and click the green color and increase the hue into decrease the hue into -57 and decrease the saturation into -100 and decrease the luminance into -100. Now click the yellow color and decrease the hue into -100 and decrease the saturation also -100. Now decrease the luminance into -50. Now check the color is variation. Now click the orange color. We can improve the skin tone. Increase the saturation into 26. Now increase the luminance into 15. Now click the violet icon and increase the hue into around 50 and also increase the saturation 30. Increase the luminance also around 20. Now click the light pink color and increase the hue into 50 and the saturation around 40. Now click the luminance and increase into 50. Now click the effect icon like as round symbol. Now click the effect icon and increase the clarity into 25 and increase the dehaz into 25. And this is before and after the edits. If you like this video, please click the like button and share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Now click the share button and click share to the device and save the photo into the gallery. Thank you.